Welcome to help screen, and if you want to know how to log out of Fortnite Epic Games on your gaming consoles, first thing that you must understand is that you cannot log out directly on the Fortnite game. So you have to go to epicgames.com and you have to do this on a web browser. After that, with that said, just simply select sign in the top right corner over here and just simply continue with your account. As you can see, you can continue with your PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo account, and if you scroll down, you will have other options over here. Now, once you are signed in, just simply go ahead and select yes, continue over here. And as you can see, I have a link account on my Xbox right now. And now, in order for you to log out, just simply click on the profile icon on top right and go ahead and go to the account on the pop-up window and then go to the link accounts over here on the left side. And now you should be able to see here all of your link accounts. And once you have link an account, you should be able to see here unlink. So just simply select unlink, and from here, as you can see, you can just simply check all of these and make sure to unlink it in order for you to log out. Sadly guys, as of today, this is the only way for you to log out from your account. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.